Hello class, today I'll teach you GK, General Knowledge. Children, I'll teach you today chapter 1, that is our country. You know our country is India. This chapter is based on our country. In this chapter, we'll discuss about states, Indian map and many more things related to our country. Children, please take out your books. By that, you will easily understand the chapter. So please take out your books and take your pencil also. You will fill the answers. I'll explain. You will fill that there only. Please start the chapter. Children, chapter 1, India, our country. In the map of India, mark the following states: Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala, Sikkim, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat and Manipur. These are the states you have to fill in the map. This is your map of India. Children, for your convenience, I have filled this map. You can see I have mentioned all states with the numbers. In this index, I have mentioned the numbers. By that, easily you can fill your map. So children, you have to fill your map with pencil and please fill the map neatly. Now, I'll proceed to the chapter. Exercise A of chapter 1. Give each state its capital. Choose from the box. Children, in this exercise, you have to fill every state capital. Children, you know India have many states and they have their own capitals also. So in this exercise, we have to fill the capital name in front of the state's name. Let's see what are the states. Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the answer of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the state of Andhra Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar. Itanagar is the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. Assam answer is Dispur. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Fourth is Bihar. Bihar capital is Patna. Fifth is Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Goa. Panji. Panji is the capital of Goa. Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat state. Haryana. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the state of Haryana, capital of Haryana state. Himachal Pradesh. Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar. Srinagar is the state capital of Jammu Kashmir state. Jharkhand. Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Karnataka. Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Kerala. Trivandrum. Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala. Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra. Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Manipur. Imphal. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Meghalaya. Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Mizoram. Mizoram capital is Aizawl. Aizawl. Nagaland. Kohima. Orissa. Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Orissa. Punjab. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Rajasthan. Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Sikkim. Gangtok. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Tamil Nadu. Chennai. Tirupura. Agartala. Agartala is the capital of Tirupura. Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow. Children, we are living in Uttar Pradesh. So you must know Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand. Dehradun. West Bengal. Kolkata. One more state is there, that is Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Children, now India has 29 states. So in this exercise, you will fill the capital in front of the states. Children, one more thing I want to tell you. Two states have joint capital. The first is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. They have one capital, that is Hyderabad, and one more is there, that is Punjab. Punjab has a capital Chandigarh, and Haryana also has a capital Chandigarh. So please don't get confused. You have to fill the same capitals in front of these states. Once again, I am showing you the answers. I have mentioned the numbers in this box. You have to fill according to the numbers. Please do your work with pencil and neatly. Exercise B. Connect the union territories with their capitals. Children, 7 union territories are also in India, and they are also have their capitals. First is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Daman and Diu, Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Chandigarh, Delhi National Capital Territory. A. Pondicherry, B. Port Blair, Silvassa, Chandigarh, Kavaratti, Delhi and Daman. Now you have to fill these letters in the given boxes. The first is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. That's it, capital is Port Blair. So you have to fill capital B in the first box. Daman and Diu, that is Daman. You have to fill G letter in the second box. Third is Pondicherry, and it is capital also Pondicherry. So you will fill capital A. Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti. Kavaratti you have to fill in this box. So you fill letter E. Dadar and Nagar Haveli. That answer is Silvassa. So you have to fill letter C in this box. 6 is Chandigarh. Chandigarh comes in Union Territories category. Its answer is Chandigarh. Chandigarh itself its capital. Delhi National Capital Territory. Delhi is also its capital. Exercise C are languages. Children, in this exercise, we'll discuss about the state languages. Children, exercise C will come in the form of one word in your unit test. So please, you learn directly the answer of the question. Put a tick mark for each correct answer. First, Oriya is associated with Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. Answer is Odisha. The national language of India is Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit. Hindi is the national language of India. Third, the language spoken in Kerala is Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada. Malayalam. Fourth, the state associated with Marathi is, where Marathi speaks, Maharashtra, Manipur, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Maharashtra. Telugu is the language of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh. Kannada is spoken in Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. Karnataka. The language spoken in Tamil Nadu is Telugu, Tamil, Marathi. Tamil. Eighth, the state language of Nagaland is Mizo, Assamese, English. English. The number of languages recognized by our constitution is 18, 25, 30. 18 languages are recognized by our constitution. Which of these is not an official language of any state? Punjabi, Assamese and Sanskrit. Sanskrit is not an official language of any state. So children, you learn the answers of these multiple choice questions. These will come in the form of one word. I told you all 10 answers. Hope you all have understood the answers. Now one more exercise is also here. Let's start the next exercise. Indian dances. India is famous for different types of dances. Given below are some of the most important dances. Look at the pictures and name each dance. You may choose the names from the box. Children, in India, many dances are here. Some dances pictures are here and some answers are also given here. You choose the answer and write in the given boxes. The first figure is C. The first lady is showing the dance Odissi. Second, what is she doing? See the second answer I have mentioned in the box, that is Kathak. Third is the posture of Kathakali. Fourth is the dance Manipuri. Fifth is Bharatnatyam picture. And sixth is very easy for you all, that is Bhangra. Children, you have to write all dances names in these pictures boxes. The big boxes are given below the pictures. You have to fill here according to the numbers. And I have mentioned your answers in the boxes according to the numbers. Exercise E. Put a tick mark for each correct answer oblique one word. Just now I told you your multiple choice questions will come in the form of one word. This exercise is also based on the dances. First is Garba is a famous dance in West Bengal, Gujarat, Assam. Gujarat. The most popular dance of Kerala is Kathak, Kathakali, Bharatnatyam. Kathakali. Bharatnatyam originated in Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh is the homeland of Odissi, Moniattam, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. Fifth, Moniattam is common in Kerala, Bihar, Odisha. Kerala. Sixth, Bhangra is a dance form of Punjab, Odisha, Bihar, Punjab. Seventh, Manipur is famous for Moniattam, Manipuri, Garba, Manipuri. Eighth, Kathak is associated with Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Children, these are 8 questions. I told you all the answers. These will come in the form of one word. Please tick all the answers neatly and learn these answers for your one word answer type questions. Now I have given you all answers of chapter 1. Please fill these answers. In my next video, I'll tell you the answers of chapter 2. Till that date, complete your work and learn all the answers.